Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your name on Fortnite. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You will need to open up a web browser and head over to epicgames.com. Sign in to your Epic Games account. Note that your Epic Games and Fortnite info are the same thing. When you are logged in, tap on your profile name at the top right of the screen and then select Account. Here, under Account Info, it shows your display name. This is your name on Fortnite as well as Epic Games. Tap on the pen button beside it to edit it. Enter your new display name here. Note that you can only change your username once every 2 weeks. My Epic Games username has now been changed, and that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.